Welcome back to another image converter update. Today, multi-threading. Yes, we needed to have multi-threading because, well, if you use single thread, things are just too slow. And I learned that a long time ago, but I know a lot of people or a lot of developers avoid that because, well, it adds a lot of complexity to the application. So it seems like everyone's kind of shifting their application to stay in single threaded but use multiple servers, especially like in the cloud environment. So rather than using a lot of CPU potential in one computer, you just spin up multiple servers in the cloud and have them do the work. Still not sure if I'm a super big fan of that. I kind of like to use physical computers and maximize the CPU usage. So let me show you what I did. All right, so this doesn't look really different from the last time that we've seen, except there's a little number of threads box here. So I'm going to set it to 5, and let's use the same data from last video. We did some HIC files and movie files. So I'm going to go here, and we're just going to say everything, grab all this, and I'm going to say 5 threads. And what I'm going to do is I'll bring my output window here as quickly as possible, as well as my task manager, so you could see the usage on the CPU side. All right, so let's do that. So we're going to do 5. I'm going to hit start, and you'll see how these were all done. And now we have multiple files being processed all at the same time, and the CPU is working really hard. So now, right, all these 3 files are being processed. These are done. So you could see 3 are not done yet. So basically what we're doing is we're working on multiple files at the same time, and bam, it's already done. So I'm sure from a previous video, well, you probably won't remember, but from a previous video, this took much longer because we were doing 1 file at a time, which is terribly inefficient. So this is a way better approach to any kind of processing or conversion where you're maximizing your CPU potential. And the more powerful your computer is, the more threads you can run at the same time. And of course, there is a limit. Once you get to some stupid number, you're just going to overwhelm your computer and you get no efficiency out of it. So this number is going to be for you to experiment and see what's best on your computer. But this one was not too difficult, but was a bit tricky to implement. I'm glad I have it. I'm gonna move on to the next thing I have to build, which I don't really know what it is. I probably should start working on user interface. This thing has been so ugly for so long. I need to fix it. Anyway, thank you for checking out this update. I will see you on another.